LG 32GS95UE-B best settings. Hey guys, in this video, we will see LG 32GS95UE-B best settings. This is a 32-inch ultra-fast OLED gaming monitor with dual mode, offering 4K up to 240Hz or FHD up to 480Hz for exceptional clarity and smooth gameplay. It boasts a near instantaneous 0.03 ms response time, ensuring minimal lag and a competitive edge. The monitor is NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, which reduces screen tearing and stuttering for a smoother experience. Also supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro for virtually tear-free gaming. With display HDR 2 Black 400 and a 1.5:1 contrast ratio, it delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors. Its space-saving design features a virtually borderless screen with height, tilt, and pivot adjustability. Additionally, Pixel Sound with DTS Virtual X provides rich, immersive audio directly from the OLED screen. This product comes with a manufacturer's limited warranty of 1-year parts and 1-year labor. Also, stay protected after the manufacturer's standard parts and label warranty ends. It offers a 2-year additional protection at $109.99 and a 3-year additional protection at $129.99. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.